I Jansan from I Feng Shui Interior Consulting. And today I'm going to just quickly show you how to decide the facing position and sitting position. We use this compass. You can also use smartphone compass. Yeah. Anyway, let's go out. When you want to know your house facing position, which means which direction is your main entrance door facing. In my case, I live in an apartment, so it's the main entrance door of the building. Okay, so now I'm standing in front of my apartment building, and I'm facing toward street. This is the main street of the address where I live. This one. So the red arrow and N, this is north, has to be matched. I'm facing toward west. My apartment building's main entrance door is facing exactly west. We call it facing position west. And the opposite direction, which is east, this is a sitting position. It's a tail, back. So it's facing to east. Okay, I'm going to quickly review what I did with my compass in front of the entry door of my apartment building. So let's pretend this is my apartment building, okay? And I was standing right in front of the entry door. This is the door. And I went outside and I was standing right in front of the entry door, okay? And I was facing to the street, ABC Street, let's say. And that was toward west, okay? So in this situation, we say this apartment building's facing position is west, okay? And we have sitting position here. What that means is, okay, now this is the back side of the building or house. And that's toward east because it's opposed from west, okay? So we call it sitting position, east. Yeah. So this means my building, my apartment building with facing position west, sitting position east, that has actually a personality of wood. That's why I draw a picture of a tree here. Okay, how we decide the personality of the building or house is based on the direction of sitting position. So in my case, my apartment building has wood personality, okay, because sitting position is east. East is wood element, okay. That's how I judge the personality of each building and the house. And then I also check each resident's personality, like a 5-element personality. For example, I am a fire element person and my husband is a wood element person. So those two people are living in wood type building, which is actually good. Yeah. I think that's the reason why we live here very long. So because we feel very comfortable, I think, because of fire person, me, fire is being fueled by wood, right? Because wood burn fire. So it's pretty good for me. All right. But this is actually how I make a judgment of the personality of the main building or house. But if you want to know the unit personality, okay, then it's a different story. Because let's say unit means, because the apartment building has multiple units, right? Let's say I live in this unit here. Okay? And my apartment unit's entry door is actually this way, facing to east. Do you understand? Main building's entry door is facing to west, but my apartment unit's entry door is facing to the opposite direction, which is east. This means my apartment unit facing position is east, and my apartment unit's sitting position is west. That means my apartment unit's personality has a sitting position west personality, which is west element wise, it's metal. So that means me as a fire personality and my husband as a wood personality, those two people are living in apartment units. This is 1-bedroom apartment with the personality of metal. Okay? And then this apartment unit is in the building with the personality of wood. What that means is, okay, like I said before, me and my husband, fire and wood, are living in a wood personality building, which is compatible with very good. But let's say if we focus on unit, we are living in a metal type of apartment unit. Metal is actually a controller for wood, because metal can chop wood. Okay, so my husband, wood, is weaker than metal, meaning this apartment unit. But I, fire, is a controller for metal, meaning fire can melt the metal. So I'm stronger than metal, fire. So this is fire. I'm fine. In the apartment unit, I have to do a lot of kind of feng shui for my husband, because metal can control wood. So to energize my husband's energy, I do a lot of feng shui remedies in this apartment unit. I hope you understand this, consequence. But I'll talk, more detail, more in the future. Okay. Anyway, so today I showed you how to use the compass. You use the compass outside and check the personality of the main building first, okay? And then check the apartment unit personality. You do the same thing. You just stand right in front of the door of your apartment unit. And then do the same thing, okay? And this is actually same thing. You just do the same thing if you want to know the direction of each individual rooms. You can do the same thing. Stand in front of the door and see which direction your face is facing to. Then you can know each individual room's personality. I think that's all for today.